What's up guys? Welcome back to Tenorshare channel. Many people now using iPad, so in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to put iPad in recovery mode, no matter your iPad having the home button or not. But before we start, you better figure out what iPad recovery mode is. Well, it can be defined as an inbuilt safety mechanism designed to prevent an iPad OS device from suffering further damage whenever it is experiencing problems. So let's be simplified. iPad recovery mode won't come out usually unless you're running a system updating or firmware checking or something. Somehow you may need to put it into recovery mode for these reasons. Like, your iPad stuck due to one or the other reason. Or iPad software update gone wrong. Or iPad screen turns black or white due to some reason. Or iPad not charging or not unlocking. And so on. Then put it into recovery mode and get a system refresh would be a wise choice. So this video gonna be divided into 3 parts. The first 2 parts is about how to make it manually. And the third part, I'm gonna using a tool. So let's jump right in. For an iPad with home button, to put it in recovery mode, what you need to do first is to connect it to a computer which has installed iTunes on it. And then press the home button and the power button, or you can call it the side button at the same time. Wait until the screen goes black. Keep holding even when you see the Apple logo. And when the restore screen shows up, that means you enter recovery mode successfully. That's it. So the second part is for an iPad without home button. To put it in recovery mode, you also need to connect it to the computer with iTunes first. Then quickly press and release volume up. Then press and release volume down. Then press and hold the side button. And keep holding the side button until you see the restore screen. It's a bit different from the iPad with home button, but still really easy. Also, if you think enter recovery mode manually is quite difficult for you, there is a free alternative called Tenorshare ReiBoot. You can go to tenorshare.com and get it downloaded on your computer no matter you're using Windows or Mac. And what's more, enter recovery mode is totally free, so you can't miss it. So you also need to connect your iPad to the computer first, then launch ReiBoot. Then click enter recovery mode. And boom, just in few seconds, your iPad will be put in recovery mode successfully. Super easy, just with one click. To exit recovery mode with ReiBoot, it also takes you just one click. Click on exit recovery mode. And sooner your iPad will get back to normal. That's it. I've leave the download link in description below, so get it right now. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I've shown you 2 free ways to put iPad in recovery mode. Manually or using a free tool. Which one to choose? It depends on you. Hope this can help. Stay tuned for our next video. See you soon.